Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by securing your data and ensuring the current account is editable. First, back up to iCloud or iTunes so you can restore if needed. Next, sign out of iCloud, App Store, and FaceTime on the device you're changing. Once done, make sure Find My iPhone or Mac is turned off in Settings Apple ID because that restriction blocks account changes. You'll need your existing Apple ID password to complete sign-out, so have it available before proceeding. You're now changing the Apple ID itself on the device. Go to Settings, tap your name, then name, phone numbers, email. Tap Edit next to Reachable at and remove the old email address tied to your Apple ID, then add the new email you want to use. Apple will send a verification code to that new address. Enter it when prompted. Once verified, the system updates your contact info and begins using the new address as your Apple ID for services across devices. Finish by signing back into iCloud, App Store, iMessage, and FaceTime on each device with your new Apple ID. Make sure saved passwords, subscriptions, and payment methods are current so purchases and services continue uninterrupted. If something goes wrong, first check the verification email and spam folder, then try resetting your Apple ID password. If problems persist, such as a verification code not arriving or an email already in use, contact Apple support for account recovery assistance and to prevent lockouts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.